Okay, got a package today in the mail. Looks like I got a little too excited to chop it here. I had a company reach out, and they're going to have me just test out some products. So this is a pretty neat looking multifunction power socket, as it states there. And the thing, I'll show you what I liked, what caught my eye about this. The thing that I liked about this, honestly, was this. This is so cool how this flips out and you can wall mount it. So I'm going to wall mount this probably in my shop. So we'll do that. And we'll test it out a little bit. Build quality seems pretty good. Doesn't seem super cheap. It has built-in surge suppression, and looks like it will do a total of 1,875 watts. That's kind of insane. Let's test that right now. I'm going to go get my wife's hairdryer, but it's not bad. I do like this. I like how it's flat. That's going to look nice, you know, when you're plugging it in on a wall or something like that. So let me get a hairdryer. Let's see what happens. Okay, look what I found. My kilowatt thing. Turn that off. Plug this right into it. You guys see okay? Turn it on. Shows our voltage. Watts. Plug in the hairdryer. See what happens. All right, one thing I want to test too is, since this is a total of 3.4 amps, 5 volt, 3.4 amps. Yeah, let's turn this on. All right, so here's a USB cable. Hopefully this one can handle. Sometimes if you get these cheap cables, they won't handle the amperage. So let's just see what this says. 1 hour and 50 minutes. I'm going to plug in. This is actually for like a MacBook, so it's got pretty big output. No, this one does say fast charging. Okay. Hour and 10 minutes. So this did not show fast charging. So this is the same cable you get with a GoPro. Let's see if this says fast charging or not. Okay, it does not. No fast charging. Not a huge deal breaker. Next, we'll mount it outside, I think, at my workshop. That'd be a nice place to put it. Okay, I got the power strip out here and found this piece of scrap that I'm going to mount up here like so. So it did not come with screws. You're going to want to get some. That way you can put them in there, and then when you slide this thing closed, it'll be nice and flush. So, all right, yeah, let's get this attached really quick. So cool. Now I have these lights that I keep here. So now I can just plug in my USB into there, and then I can plug this end into my light. Make sure I got it the right direction. That's cool. So I can have both my lights charging, and then got a USB-C, plug that in at the top. Got my phone charging too. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty good product. If you're looking for something where you can get some few extra plugs and get some USBs to charge things, I'd check it out. Seems pretty good. Like that I can turn the switch off. It kills power to whatever I'm charging. Turn the switch on, starts charging, so I like that. And I'll tidy some stuff up here, but maybe take a look at it. Got links posted down below. Thanks for watching.